Hey it's guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm going to tell you how to make more money at Target. More money? Yeah, more money cash back. How to save money and get more money cash back. Hey it's guys, it's Melanie. Dollar Tree DIY storage solutions for small houses. Like makeover. Let me show you what I got. I washed all of my clothes together. Let's go make something. Alright, guys, I am Melanie. If you're new here, please stay, subscribe, you know the drill. I like to talk about money, apparently, and shopping. Lord knows I spend way too much money at Target. I will sit here in my kitchen and drink a beer and talk to you guys. So today we're going to talk about Target because it is a serious addiction of mine. So there are ways to save at Target, and you save more than the traditional way, and I really want to put it out there because I feel like some people just don't know it. Alright, so if you don't already have a Target Red card, of course you want one of those, but you can save more money using a different card, and I'm going to explain that in a second. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is sign up for Target Circle on the app. If you haven't, what are you doing? It's so simple. You download the app, you can pay on the app. It's super, super easy, and you get 1% cash back on everything unless you're using your Target Red card. And that's number 2, get a Target Red card. You don't have to get a credit card. You can get it the debit card through your bank, and you still save 5% on everything that you purchase, including gift cards. So then you can buy your gift cards from Target using your Red card, or a different way, which profits more money, which I'll tell you in a second. And then like you buy a gift card for, I don't know, Sephora, Kohl's, whatever, and you're gonna save 5%. So if you're gonna spend $100 at Sephora, go buy a gift card, save $5. Just saying. All right, number 4, and this is like the main reason, like what I want to tell you guys. Sometimes you can save more money without using the Red card. Hear me out. Here's how this works. So if you use your Red card at Target, you save 5% off the top of every single purchase that you make. But if you do not use your Red card, you gain 1% cash back on your circle to use on any purchase that you want, right? So if you have a cashback credit card, yes, you have to have a credit card. I have a whole video on how I make money with my credit card, and I helped my credit score, the whole entire thing. I built my credit score. I'll link it below. You don't have to actually charge anything. You just have to pay it off at the end of every single month, right? So my cashback credit card is 5% cash back at Target for 1 quarter. So for 3 months out of the year, I get 5% cash back at Target if I use my credit card. And you might say, big deal, I get 5% cash off whenever I use my Target Red card throughout the year, which is true. But if you use your Red card, you're not getting that 1% cash back Target Circle. If you use your cashback credit card that is not affiliated with Target, you are getting that 1% back Target Circle. So by using my cashback credit card, I'm getting 6% off every single purchase for those 3 months instead of the 5% cash back. 1 extra percent cash back may not seem like a lot, but when you're spending like $200 a week at Target, that's $2 a week, $8 a month, times 3, $24. Just $24. Put that in a savings account, let it accrue interest at 2% for a couple years. Just saying. Any amount cash back, put it in a freaking savings account, or use it to pay down your Target card. Anyway, I'm just saying to keep that in mind. Also, something else that also saves. Sometimes around Black Friday, Target will have Target cards, specifically Target gift cards, 10% off, up to like $500. You bet your sweet butt I buy $500 of Target gift cards. Here is why. During that time, I am saving 5% cash back on my credit card, correct? And you don't have to spend $500 if you don't have $500. Spend $100, do whatever you gotta do, okay? So I buy $500 in gift cards. I get 10% off the bat. So instead of paying $500, I'm only paying $450. I'm already saving $50, right? So my Target Circle is still going to give me 1% on that. 1% of the $450 is $450. So now I'm at $54.50. But I'm going to get 5% back of that $450. That's about $22.50. In total, I have saved $50 off the top, and in cash back, I'm going to get back $4.50 and $22.50 for no reason. It's free. So that means I have saved $76.50 in Target gift cards. And these are gift cards like on $500. And I don't know about you, but I buy my groceries at Target and I spend like $100 a week on groceries at Target. Well, maybe not 100 because I coupon, but you get the point. I'm going to use that in a month and a half at Target just on groceries. And I have saved 16% on $500 at Target. So anyway, that is my crazy rambling. I do have a couponing channel. If you coupon, will you coupon with me? I'll link it below. I don't post as much anymore, but I do like actually coupon. Doesn't matter how much money you make. Couponing is like so much fun. Why would you like spend money when you don't have to? Just saying. Anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching. If you have a comment, let me know. If you have some way to save, let me know. But that is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I love yous.